Hey everyone, welcome to this daily market analysis of GoCharting. So yesterday I did not put a video because if you remember the previous video, we have already found out these levels, okay? And the market had started going up from this value area to this value area, and here we have a nice gap, okay? So we had considered this area as an imbalance area where we will be expecting a fast move from this level to this level, okay? So we have already applied the market profile and checked this hypothesis. So let me apply the fixed range market profile again. And if you see this is the area, okay? You see this is the low, volume node over here. We can also see the same thing in the volume profile. So this is the volume profile, and you see this entire range we have very low volume as compared to this area and this area. So this is our value area below here, and this is one more value area above here. As I have already explained in the video how to draw the levels, that you have to find out the thick volume region, okay, where you get a proper D shape, okay. So this is one value area, this is another value area. The same thing can be confirmed from market profile as well as volume profile, and this is the area where we can expect a fast imbalance move, okay. So because these levels are still intact, so I am not going to draw any new level. But what could be our hypothesis? So our hypothesis is still, guys, the market can go from here to here because we have seen, a breakout on a daily candle with a good delta. Market has gone up and given a, pullback to this level and again gone up. If you see on the lower time frame candles, the only thing which worries me is, the amount of delta. If you see on a daily candle, the delta is very low, okay. So now our job is to look at the delta candles today, okay. So if we start getting good delta candles, so we will keep on taking long trades. It will be dangerous to do short trades in this area until and unless market reverts back to these area and start going down, okay. So short trades will be only possible once it accepts properly inside this value area and then it starts going down. Now how we'll take the long trades? For this we will go to 1 minute chart. Now let's apply VWAP, guys. So many people ask what is the setting of the VWAP. What you have to do, click on this arrow, click on this setting option, and then the deviation band, put only single deviation band as 1, switch on this deviations and click on apply. So this is the deviation band. So now what are our four rules, guys? What we have to do is we have to check the delta, we have to check the levels, we have to take the trade on pullback, and we have to check the slope of the VWAP. Okay, now how we could have traded yesterday, guys? See, first of all, as I have told you, what is the level? So this was the value area high of the previous value area, and this is the value area low of the above value area. So this is the range of imbalance. Now, what has happened, guys? Market has opened outside this value area. So the first hypothesis is that the market has opened outside the value area, so the market is in imbalance. Now our job is to take long trades, okay? So now let's try to analyze with the help of these four rules how we could have traded yesterday market. Okay. So you see these are some candles forming. Okay. But still the slope of the VWAP and these candles are actually not closing above VWAP. Now we got a very big negative delta, but still the market has managed to go outside the VWAP. Okay. But are we going to trade here? The answer is no. Why? See, this is the very big red delta, guys. Okay. And as compared to this big red delta, there are not very good green delta. Okay. So till here, we are not going to trade. Okay. So we have a reference over here that this is a big red delta and the delta forming are very small as compared to this. We are not going to trade. But look at this. Now here we have got a good delta and a proper breakout outside the VWAP. Okay. So here, guys, all of our, hypothesis, everything is in sync. Why? See, in the higher time frame, we are expecting that the market will go up. Now, in the lower time frame, we have got a nice slope of VWAP, proper close above VWAP with a good delta. Okay. So everything is perfect here. Now what our job is to wait for a pullback. So pull back to these levels, and now you see the weak red delta candle. The candle of red delta are very weak. You see, you have to always compare them. Okay. So now once it has given a weak pullback, we should have entered into this candle. Okay. And now you can ask that what is the target. So guys, unfortunately I could not draw the levels here because I have just shown you that this entire region is the low volume region. Okay, so we do not have any level in this region. Okay, so our job is now, so how we can decide the target. So our job is to look at the VWAP slope, guys. Okay, so once you enter here, your job is to keep on trailing the SL. And now if you see after this candle and these pullbacks, we can see the VWAP has started getting flattened. Okay. Put your stop loss here, guys. Okay. And then can we take the short trade over here? The answer is no, guys. Okay. You see, this was a quick liquidation move. Okay. But we have a level over here. We have a value area high level over here. And now, if you see, we got a VWAP slope, we got a big red delta candle. Now you can tell me that, okay, we can take a negative side trade. No, why we cannot take a negative? Because we are going to trade based on pullback. And here you see, there is no pullback. Okay, after this, we do not see any aggression. Okay, so I hope you understood that we should not have traded this move. Okay, so guys, these are the levels for today. It will be interesting to see how market behaves today. Thank you, guys.